It's the worst dinner in time. I'm going to read she's on red film. You say, I'm a snap. I have read off the back himself. I still have pollution. Must. That's you.
Nou, ik zit ook op sneeuw. Ik doe nice hier, dat verwacht ik. Nou, hoe is die trouwens net hebben, hè?
Heel erg goed. En die zit er nog even goed aan. Ik doe nog niet, maar snel met.
Boots are killing me.
They look so cool.
They should make do with Mr. Cellini's blustery hoopla.
You all may wonder where Rodney and Janet are. They have been expelled from our Silver Ninja Empire. What have they done, Master? They are guilty of having sex before marriage. This is an offense to our ninja commandments.
Master, you did right. They should be badged.
I have also removed their ninjutsu. But since they have been born a ninja, they die a ninja. Before marriage. This is an offense to our ninja commandments.
Master, you did right. They should be badged.
I have also removed their ninjutsu. But since they have been born a ninja, they die a ninja.
Now they are normal people. They can no longer fight as ninjas.
If they live a peaceful and normal life, who is going to kill them? Gordon, you are too sentimental.
Yes, Master.
Gordon, I want to give you a mission. A long-lost sword of valor has recently been found. Gordon, you are too sentimental. I want you to go to Japan and bring it back. To them.
Master, Gordon, you are too sentimental.
Yes, Master. Thank you very much. Gordon, you are too sentimental.